Hi guys, welcome back. So, thanks for watching the video with me on drums, showing you the different rhythms. Now what I've put together here is all those parts layered on top of each other so we can see what they're like in isolation. So if we just double click on one here, we can see from the score that we have the rhythm that we've played in part one. Da 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 da. Okay. Then in part two here, we've got da da do dum da do do da da do dum da da dum. All right. So that is the faster parts from the previous video. Then we have our da da bom da da bom, our sort of ostinato part in part three, and then part four, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so we'll go through each of these in turn and see what they sound like. So I think it's easier to start with. Let's start with part one. So part one is our sort of lead drummer part. It sounds like this. Part two is our faster part. So when we layer them on top of each other, we get this polyrhythmic effect. So we can hear almost immediately that the rhythm has got a lot more complex. We have different notes that are sort of happening in between each other, and it's creating polyrhythms. We add in our sort of ostinato part in part three, and we'll just hear that in isolation. And that's really designed to keep time more than anything else. But if we add it to our first two parts, then we increase the complexity even more, and we can hear this polyrhythmic effect fully. Now what we've got is part four. Now I'm going to play part four in isolation because part four is perhaps our most interesting one. It's when we get a cross rhythm effect. I'll play it once and then I'll talk you through why it's a cross rhythm. Okay. Now on its own, it sounds quite strange. And it's because, if we look at the score, this little rhythm here, boom, 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 all right? This rhythm feels like really it should start here. So we should have something like dum, dum, da 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 da, but we don't. We have what really should be at the beginning of the next bar. We put it on beat 4, which creates this sort of cross rhythm effect. It's almost like the bar is starting too early. Now when we combine it with all the rest, we increase the complexity of the part even further. So that's the rhythms. The only thing that I want you to do, guys, is to watch this over and make sure you can hear how the cross rhythms and the polyrhythms work together, because that's what you're going to need to be able to identify when it comes to the exam. Thanks very much.